Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device and protecting your data. Backup worlds and sign into your Microsoft/Mojang account so saves sync. Once done, enable the required install method. On Android, allow installs from unknown sources for a sideload, or enable test flight on iOS if you have access. Make sure storage has 500 plus MB free for the snapshot and temporary files. You're preparing the phone to accept a pre-release build and avoiding lost worlds, which is why backup and permissions matter now. Next, obtain the snapshot build. Join the official beta or download the APK from a trusted source noted by the developer. Once you have the file, open it with your file manager and tap Install. On iOS, accept the test flight invite and install the build. After installation, grant storage and network permissions so worlds and downloads work correctly, and disable battery optimizers to prevent background process kills. These steps ensure the snapshot runs fully and can save and sync data as expected. Finally, launch the snapshot and immediately test it using a copied world so your main saves stay safe. Enable any experimental toggles required for snapshot features and try the new mechanics briefly. If you encounter crashes or missing textures, collect logs from the app's debug menu and report them. Meanwhile, revert to the stable release build to continue playing. If installation fails, reinstall the snapshot or restore your backup. This troubleshooting approach minimizes data loss and helps the developers fix issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.